There are more and more parents today who come with children who have learning problems. It is not disability. Disability is very obvious to everybody, and there are few parents who come with children who have a disability, but basically there are children who come with learning problems, hyperactivity, attention deficit problems, which have become very, very common today. And simple parenting and teaching strategies are required to handle these problems, and the teachers and parents are not aware. So these children are assessed, they get IQ tests done, they are put on medication, which is not at all required. They need simple parenting tips and teaching strategies to handle these problems.
Can you give some examples?
If a child, like we are getting children to write at the age of 3 today, while actually a child at the age of 3 has to concentrate on language development and social skills. But when a child at 3 is forced to write, actually he should be writing somewhere at the age of 6 or 7. That is when he is like physically ready to write, physically and mentally ready to write. So when you put pressure on a child at age 3 to write, he is not going to sit in one place. His attention span is very short, and when he is made to sit and write for about half an hour or more, he is certainly going to develop problems. He is going to be restless and run around the class, and then become aggressive or become very shy, if not immediately, but in the long run. And then these children are taken to psychiatrists or clinical psychologists or counselors who advise them that they need occupational therapy, which is not at all the right thing to do, or they are put on medication.